This video demonstrates the ServiceNow Service Portal from the end-user perspective. The Service Portal is an easy-to-use interface for end users to access certain components of the ServiceNow platform. It provides a web page self-service experience for end users. The Service Portal is accessible through a URL just like you would with any other web page. Today I will browse specifically to the DIT Service Portal to show their offerings that is available. In your web browser, in the address bar, type in https://ncgov.service-now.com/sp_dit. You will then be prompted to enter your NCID and password. Once you're authenticated, you'll be taken to the Service Portal homepage. The Service Portal homepage will display widgets. These widgets provide quick access to status, announcements, and other information and services. For demonstration purposes, I am logged into the test environment. Over on the left, we have the DIT logo. This logo will act as a home button when clicked. The next item on the banner is the Service Catalog. As you use the portal and create requests and incidents, the most popular items will show here. Underneath the DIT logo, this is called the breadcrumb trail. Each section of the breadcrumb is separated by a greater than symbol. If you click on a previous section, it will then take you up to that level. For example, if I click on the home, it'll take me back to the home page. The next item is the search box. Here you can try keywords to navigate for the item you're looking for. For example, if I had a malware email issue, as I'm typing, it'll also filter down my results. As you can see here, there's only one catalog item that has active malware remediation. Also, over here on the left, the different requests and incidents are categorized, and you can browse through the different sections and find the appropriate item to open your ticket. For example, if we click on Request Something, you can see the different categories. Communication and collaboration, you see it filters down to catalog items that have to do specifically with communication and collaboration. The next item on the banner is the Incident and Requests. Here you'll see your open incidents and your open requests. If you click on the item, it will open that specific ticket, and you can see where the specific information about the ticket, but also if you want to add additional information to it, you can type any information here. The technician, once they review this ticket, will see that additional information added to that ticket. Also, here's where you add your attachment. If you click on that, it'll open a search box, and you simply just click on the item you want to attach and click Open, and it'll attach it to that ticket. The next item on the banner is the DIT Communication Hub. If you click on this, it'll take you directly to the DIT Service Status Dashboard. You may have to authenticate with NCID to see this. Let's go back to the home page. Let's click on the banner. The next item is this search box here. This functions just like the other search box that we used earlier. So for example, if we type in malware, again, it'll filter down to malware. Or if we have a different type of issue, for example, if I have a phone issue, you see it starts filtering down to wherever report phone exists in those incidents. So example, here I have an incident already opened on a phone issue that I opened earlier, but also have the catalog item itself that I can open a new additional request. These widgets, request or order something, and report an issue, takes you to those specific sections within the service catalog itself. So when we clicked on the service catalog, it took us to the popular items. Remember these categories over here? So if we go back to the home page and I click on request or order something, it takes me back to the service catalog, but it takes me specifically into the request something section of that catalog. Let's click back on the home page and do report an issue. So you see that we're back in the catalog itself, but now we're in the Get Help section. Now let's say we have a voice issue. Let's report it. So there's my ticket from earlier, and there's the catalog item, report voice or circuit issue. You can also click over here on report an issue, and it takes us to the incident section of the catalog, and we got option here of create an incident or report voice or circuit issue. If I click on the specific category of telecommunication issue, report voice or circuit issue then opens up. Let's go ahead and report a voice or circuit issue. You simply fill in the appropriate fields. You can also add an attachment at the bottom. Works just like the other that we reviewed earlier. Who's reporting the issue? I'm logged in as a John Smith, and you can see here on the profile I'm logged in as John Smith. But I can also request this for someone else. But for in this particular instance, we're going to say it's me. Name of the local phone company. Do I have a dial tone? Yes, I do. The phone number that is having issue. What happens when you call this number? Is intrusive testing authorized? Hours for intrusive testing. The main phone number. Alternate call number. Red asterisk means it's mandatory. So operating hours. Location of the trouble. And once I have all the required information filled in on the ticket, I'll click on the word submit. It'll then take me to the ticket form where I can see the form that I just filled out right here. But also can see the information about the ticket and also the form over here as well. I can also add an attachment here. If I forgot to add an attachment on the first page, I can add an attachment here. But also I can communicate with the technician. And once the technician or engineer is reviewing that ticket, they'll see that additional information added to that ticket. So now let's click on the logo to take us back to the home page. So now we can see that our incidents, our open incidents, you can see the new one that I just opened just now. And you can click on that to re-review that ticket if you so please. That covers the basics of the DIT portal and concludes our demonstration.